Aloha Kauai. Here's our daily COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Monday, April 27th. The number of total confirmed cases still remains at 21. Of those 21 cases, 20 individuals have now recovered or returned to their home on the mainland. The remaining one active case is in isolation in the hospital. All but one case has been confirmed to be travel-related. Kauai's tally of cases and other information on COVID-19 can be found on the Kauai Emergency Management Agency or KEMA site at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. To view the total number of positive cases across the state, please visit hawaiicovid19.com. The daily count on this site is updated at noon every day. Throughout this crisis, I have appreciated your outpouring of support, encouragement, and love. Our lighthearted stay-at-home Kauai videos that my family and I produce from home started as something fun for us to do to keep our spirits up as a community, and to emphasize that each and every one of us plays an important role in combating COVID-19 just by staying home. Never do we expect the media attention that we have received. In fact, if my mom and dad were here, I'd be in big trouble because they were under the philosophy that the nail that stands out is the one that gets hammered down. So, while it warms my heart that those videos have been meaningful to you, I want to assure you that our main focus takes place right here in this room at our county's Emergency Operations Center. Here is where our team works day in and day out to figure out how to keep our Kauai community safe from coronavirus. While we continue to work on keeping our community safe, we are also focused on working with our governor and other partners to get our people back to work in a staged, responsible manner. Speaking of national recognition, I want to tell you about someone that deserves the spotlight. My friend Chloe Sakai was recently recognized by the United Kingdom's Alzheimer's Society for her work in making Kauai more dementia-friendly. Chloe started this initiative as part of a project for her Girl Scouts Troop 823 and has now created over 170 dementia friends. For more information on her efforts, visit www.forgetmenot.home.blog. That's www.forgetmenot.home.blog. Or for more information on dementia, visit dementiafriendsusa.org. Congratulations, Chloe, on your international recognition. One of the projects that our team has been working on is a free webinar for consumers and businesses, which is being hosted tomorrow, Tuesday, April 28 at 1 p.m. The purpose of this free webinar is to help provide our community with financial resources related to COVID-19. You will hear from your Kauai leaders and lenders about SBA's financial assistance programs, as well as other local assistance programs. And you will receive the latest updates from Congress, from the Kauai County Finance Department, as well as a financial outlook for Kauai. This free webinar is just one of the projects that came from our Kauai Economic Recovery Strategy team on finance, which is a team of people from the private and public sectors who are focused on helping our economy recover from COVID-19. So mahalo to all our economic recovery team members, and mahalo to guest speakers Congresswoman Tulsi Gabbard, Kauai Chamber President Mark Perriello, Finance Director Reiko Matsuyama, and to all of our panelists and local financial institutions for your participation. Again, this is a free Zoom webinar for local businesses and consumers tomorrow, Tuesday, April 28th at 1 p.m. No need to register, just use Zoom meeting ID 952-0500-7650, or if calling in, 1-669-900-6833. For more information, call the Office of Economic Development at 241-4946. As a reminder, the federal government appropriated an additional $310 billion to replenish the SBA Paycheck Protection Program, or PPP, and $60 billion for their Economic Injury Disaster Loan, or EIDL, to further assist small businesses that are suffering economic impacts from the COVID-19 pandemic. Funding for these programs is not expected to last long, So if you've applied for a PPP loan in the first round but did not receive funding, check with your local lender to ensure your application is complete. Additionally, several local lenders are currently accepting new applications. If you're interested in applying for a PPP loan, contact your local lender immediately. For more information on the PPP or EIDL small business loan programs, visit sba.gov today. Over the weekend, we said there would be additional COVID-19 testing available on our island, and here are the details. Starting today, Kauai Medical Clinic in Kauai will offer specimen collection Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. The clinic will also offer 2 specimen collection events this weekend in Kilauea. They are from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Wednesday, April 29th, and Friday, May 1st, only at Anainaho Community Park in Kilauea. Drive-through specimen collection continues daily at Wilcox Medical Center and on weekdays at Kauai Veterans Memorial Hospital. In order to be tested, all sites require an order from a healthcare provider. Also, bring your ID and an insurance card if you have one. The Department of Education is continuing its free grab-and-go meals program for keiki 18 years and younger on Kauai. Participating schools now include Kekaha Elementary, Waimea High School, Koloa Elementary, Chiefs Kamakahele Middle School, Kapa'a High School, and Kilauea Elementary School. Breakfast pickup is from 7:30 a.m. to 8 a.m., and lunch is from 11:30 a.m. to 12 noon. Once again, Kauai, as we continue to make forward progress on our COVID-19 response, the following safety precautions will become increasingly important. Stay home as much as possible. Refrain from social gatherings and public outings. If you must interact with people outside of your home, keep a distance of 6 feet of separation and wear a mask. Do not leave home if you are sick, unless you're seeking medical attention, and then only after calling your doctor first. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces often. We're going to get through this, Kauai. Stay informed and connected during this time of social distancing. We'll continue to post updates on our official County of Kauai Facebook page or on our Kauai Emergency Management Agency page at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control is also updating its website regularly. For more information, please call coronavirus.gov. Not everyone has internet access or follows the news, so please help to keep your loved ones informed. Kauai, we can do this. Hang in there. Take care of one another. God bless and aloha.